Have you ever been captivated by an optical illusion that left you scratching your head? It's mind-boggling how one person sees a couple of faces in this picture while another sees a vase. Or one person sees a dress in one color and the other in another. So, what is the ultimate truth? Well, according to postmodernists, truth in science is always debatable. Instead of a single answer, they believe in a multitude of narratives and perspectives. In the world, knowledge and truth are constructed through discourses and experiences and is subjective, meaning that it depends on each person's experience and perspective. Postmodernism emerged from various fields like philosophy, architecture, and literary theory as a period that started emerging between 1960s and 80s and still continues even today. The common thread in these different interpretations of postmodernism is the idea that modernism had run its course and a new era was on the horizon. Over this time period, we saw many changes and social movements across the globe, and many rigid disciplinary boundaries melted away. Postmodernism in anthropology is not just a theoretical stance. It's a revolutionary movement that questions the objectivity, authority, and traditional methodologies of the anthropological research. In this short video, we will look at postmodernism in anthropology and answer the question of what its impact and relevance is. Hello everyone, and welcome to our exploration of postmodernism in anthropology. This movement has brought significant shifts in how anthropologists approach and interpret cultural studies. Postmodernism in anthropology is a critical movement that challenges traditional ways of conducting and presenting research. It questions the objectivity and authority of anthropological narratives and emphasizes the subjective nature of cultural interpretation. And some of its key principles include relativism of truth. Postmodernism argues against the existence of absolute truths, advocating that knowledge and understanding are culturally and contextually relative. Reflexivity in research. This principle emphasizes the importance of anthropologists' self-awareness in the research process, acknowledging their biases and the impact of their presence within the cultures studied. Deconstruction. A critical approach that involves analyzing and questioning the structures of power, authority, and knowledge that underpin cultural narratives and practices. Narrative and writing style. Postmodernism advocates for more experimental and personal styles of ethnographic writing, challenging conventional, objective, and detached approaches. And what has been its impact on anthropological theory and practice? Well, postmodernism has profoundly influenced anthropology by encouraging a more critical examination of the researcher's role and the representation of other cultures. It has led to a diversification in ethnographic methods and narrative styles, allowing for more nuanced and multi-layered cultural analysis. Some of the major contributors include James Clifford and George Marcus. Their work, particularly in writing culture, critically examined ethnographic practices, making a shift towards postmodern perspectives. Postmodernism in anthropology has also been influenced by theorists from other disciplines, like Michel, Foucault, and Jacques Derrida, who have contributed concepts such as power-knowledge relations and deconstruction. Postmodernism in anthropology has faced criticism for potential overemphasis on subjectivity and relativism, which some argue can lead to a form of academic paralysis where any interpretation is as valid as another. Critics also question the practical applicability of its highly theoretical and often complex ideas. In conclusion, postmodernism represents a paradigm shift in anthropology, encouraging a more reflexive, interpretive, and nuanced approach to understanding cultures. It continues to challenge anthropologists to rethink the nature of their work and the narratives they construct about the human societies across the world.